thestockguy.com. Happy Thursday the 18th. Tomorrow's Friday. Short week in the markets with President's Day on Monday. I love it, but I hate it. Today, negative $373. Red day for me, 373.50. And markets a little tough right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just really not liking the markets right now. By the way, if you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing. In the video, in the bottom right hand side, you can click on that box right there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any stocks that you want me to take a look at, post in the comments below. I have a link also below to try the free 14-day trial to our private alerts group on Slack. I think we're going to be moving to Discord in Q2. Anyway, so today for me, $373.50 red. And a few things looking back at my positions, I'm a little disappointed because I did this Twlo trade today, first thing in the morning, like within, this was like a 3-minute trade, and SPY I could have held a lot longer, but I was just like, you know what, give me my $33, I'm out of here. Bfly, Butterfly, I'm holding this. I took a position today. It's like 3% down or whatever. Pins I closed today. It was a members trade in the group and it's funny because this is a good member and like they post really high quality alerts, and I just lost the patience. Later in the day it ended up paying, but I didn't want to get into a bunch of new swing calls and make kind of the same old mistake that I did last Friday. And then markets have been sort of dumping and finding support and trying to hold around that 390 on SPY. If you guys have been paying attention. So anyway, let's see here. Aapl was, I could have held Aapl, same situation. AEM is a swing trade that I got into. Holding it, let's see where it takes us. It's a bottom feeder trade. EDIT, bottom feeder trade. UWMC, bottom feeder trade. GARB was a members, it was a members alert in our penny stock channel, and I said, you know what, I'm not really into the OTC world, penny stock world, but I'll give it a shot because this member does fairly well for themselves and contributes a lot in the group. The DNN, this trade right here, it's like I'm still holding this. I'm down maybe 24% year to date on the trade. And it sucks because I didn't take any, look, year to date. I closed out, I closed out the AEM, BA. These are some trades that I didn't post in the group because I felt like they were too risky and I wasn't going to have you guys risk. I'm still in GARB year to date down 14%, EDIT down 17%, DNN down 21%, BFLY down 5%. So, it's like a bunch of fucking red right now, and the markets are so tough. It's like you're better off just day trading. Just get in, get out. Make your money or lose your money. Just don't be sitting there like in a swing trade where the markets are going down and you're like, you have this desire to panic sell, you panic sell, and then the next day the markets click, boom, they're sending it right back up, SPY to 400. Then you're like, son of a bitch, and then you get into a little bit of an off key. You're kind of like, your trading becomes off step, you're frustrated, you feel like the market's kind of tossing you around, and so I limited a lot of my exposure. I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4 open positions. And then I opened one more at the end of the day in another account. that's pretty much the bulk of what happened today. A lot of this was unnecessary. I missed. I like swing trades, but I hate it when the market is like indecisive on where to go, and a lot of the indexes are all kind of at the highs. If you look at all the indexes, they're at the highs. I feel like there needs to be a little bit more distributions, and there needs to be some profit taking and some selling. But so yeah, here's SPY on the year to date, and you can see right here on the stochastic, we're at the top of the range, guys. You can't go much farther than this. You have to come back down at least to the 20 before you can reload. So bottom of the channel, maybe even the 50 simple moving average, the 50-day simple moving average. We haven't kissed it in a while. It's like kind of a rounded top. Maybe we're going to come down and kiss it. Or we could push right up to 400. I somehow feel like this is a fake out. It's like kind of a bear trap. Get all the bears in and then send it up like they always do. Bear trap, send it up. Bear trap, send it up. But eventually we will get a nice correction, probably to 380. But that's all I got for today, guys. Really short video, just kind of giving you a inside peek on how I did today. I'm very transparent. I'll show you all the goodies, the real. But yeah, check this out. This is Twlo on the 3-day on the. Let's go on the 10-minute time frame. Bought this pretty much. I bought this pretty much out of the gate. Because on the 10-minute time frame, it was touching the 50-day simple moving average. I liked that. And I don't know if I was on the 5-minute or the 10-minute, but I'm pretty sure. Let me look again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was more like this kind of situation. But yeah, really nice trade. That happened on JD. It happened on all the Chinese stocks on Twlo, or sorry, not Twlo. JD had a nice pop this morning. Wells Fargo had a nice pop. I was also looking at that for a quick scalp day trade. QS was another one that was really good. Nice pop in the morning. Get out. Can reload here. Could have got out there. Yeah, I probably would have got out around here. Just nice and easy, guys. Nice and simple day trades. 70, I really felt like the 70 was in the cards, and sure enough, it hit it. Yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. Red day, 373.50. Overtraded a little bit. Also, had to close some of my swing trades out because if SPY keeps going, I don't want to lose anymore. I'll go back to just day trading, catching bounces, trading SPY Monday, Wednesday, Friday, scanning pre-market for a nice gap up momentum strategy play. Sometimes when the market's open, I'll go through my watch list. Pick a name, any name. It's kind of a lot. I should organize this down to interesting. RH and Frog and FEYE was up today. Rustic Hardware? Really? Huh. I wonder what the year-to-date's doing. Yeah, pretty much is bouncing off the 50-day simple moving average. Go figure. FSLY is like, oh, it's down to 80, huh? I mean, look at this. It's everything. It's all red, guys. And even the green is barely green. Damn, Amazon's the only thing that did good today, huh? Feels like it. Up all day. On the, well, that's the 60-minute time frame. Let me go down to the 10-minute time frame. Wow. That would have been a nice day trade. Boom. Yeah, that would have been the place to sell right there. At least half. Sold the other half here. Alright, guys. That's all I've got for today. God bless. And I'll see you on the charts. Jake the Stock Guy.